Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fitting fresh, charged batteries and confirming polarity. This prevents intermittent power loss. Next, attach the search coil firmly and route the cable so it won't snag, because stable contact is essential for consistent signals. Set the control to all metal or a disc setting depending on goal, and do a quick ground balance if the unit offers it, since that reduces false signals from mineralized soil. Once done, sweep slowly to hear baseline responses. You now begin controlled sweeps. Keep the coil low and parallel to the ground, moving in 45 degrees arcs with 1 to 2 foot stepovers, because overlap ensures no blind spots. Listen for tone shifts and set the threshold so you hear a steady background hum. This makes weak targets audible. Adjust sensitivity slightly down if chatter increases. Use discrimination to ignore common trash, and switch to pinpoint mode to narrow the target before you dig, which saves time and preserves font. You finish by switching to pinpoint, mark the loudest spot, and cut a small plug so you disturb minimal ground. Save the removed soil for backfill. Once the object is recovered, rescan the hole and the plug to confirm the target is gone, then replace soil and tamp gently. If you get repeat false signals, reduce sensitivity or redo ground balance, because mineralized soil or electromagnetic interference often causes chatter. If problems continue, try a different mode or move a few meters and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.